2 more days left of winter break until I have to go to school. What is there to do? We still have yet to have snow this winter break. Which is pretty stupid in my opinion. It's 12 degrees right now anyways. I guess we could create some snow in my room, but that would take a lot of time and money. Darn it. Maybe I can make it snow outside. But how would I do that? How do I summon a snowstorm? Oh wait, I forgot. I got my computer and iPad taken away. I guess I'll have to do plan B. Well, that was pretty easy. Now time to look up how to create a snowstorm.
Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a snowstorm in your town. The first step is to buy one of our products in the comments below. It's $1,002. Buy that first.
$1,000 for a weather machine maker. That's a lot, and I don't have money. I guess I'll just hack into my dad's bank account.
Welcome back to your banking account, Boris.
Thank you for your purchase, Boris. Your weather creator will arrive in 2 days.
Well, that's awesome. Now I wait 2 days and can show you the tutorial.
2 days later.
It's been 2 days now. I have the product and I am ready to create this awesome blizzard.
Once you have purchased our product, you want to take some salt and pepper and put it inside of the bottle that you just purchased. Once you have done that, shake it up and wait 5 minutes for it to settle.
Who needs to shake it up when you can throw it?
Once you have done that, take a empty glass bottle and pour about a quarter of the big bottle into the other one. The color should turn orange. Once that step has been completed, take the orange-colored liquid and put it inside of the sensor that you got with the large glass bottle. Once that is completed, select the type of storm you want to create.
Storm selected, blizzard. Please wait 5 minutes for the storm to start.
Yes. I got the storm to summon. Here comes the awesome blizzard I have always wanted. But we should probably hide or throw away this stuff, as we could get in deep trouble if we get seen with this kind of stuff. Okay, now that's hidden. Time to go outside and look at this awesome blizzard.
Error. No air for machine to work. Creating 60 blizzards.
This doesn't look very normal. A blizzard never begins this strong. Yes. Here comes the snow. This is what I've wanted. This is awesome. I love snow. I can't wait until there's like 1 foot of it. Well, that storm got crazy really fast. All I did was spawn 1 blizzard, not like 80. That doesn't sound very good. Blizzards never have these kind of winds. Oh no, the power just went out. Now we are going to freeze to death.
Six hours later.
Hello and welcome back to GNN News. We just had a really bad blizzard hit a city about 20 minutes ago and the temperature has dropped to -50 degrees, and I am pretty sure I will die as well as the cameraman. We do not know how this storm was caused, but further investigation will be done to figure this out. I hope you all have an amazing evening while I suffer. Stay tuned.